If you're experiencing billing issues on TikTok, follow these steps to resolve them quickly and effectively. This guide will help you navigate the process. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review transaction history. Look through your transaction history to identify any discrepancies or unauthorized charges. This could help you pinpoint the exact issue that needs to be addressed. Step 3. Contact TikTok support. If you find an error or need assistance, reach out to TikTok's customer support. Use the in-app support feature or visit their official website to submit a request for help. Step 4. Provide necessary documentation. When contacting support, be prepared to provide relevant information such as screenshots of the issue, transaction details, and your account information. This will help expedite the resolution process. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a timely response, follow up with TikTok support. Keep track of your communication and be persistent to ensure your billing problem is resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively address any billing issues on TikTok. Remember to keep your account information secure and regularly review your payment methods.